Hello children, today I am going to discuss answer for the weekly test questions. First question, who was the first section A? Answer in one word, who was the authority of a history of British India was published in 1817. Correct answer, James Mill. Which of the following period was not a period of Indian history as envisaged by James Mill? Vedic period. Remaining three periods he mentioned in his book. Who was the highest ranking British official in India? Governor General. Fourth one. Das is certainly about changes that occur over time. History. Popular booklets were sold in the local bazaars. Britishers were not allowed to sell in anywhere except local bazaars. What was the frequency of British government census operation in India? 10 years once. Let us see section B. Why did British preserve official documents? British give more importance to the documents, so they want to preserve the documents. So British believed that act of writing was important. Every instruction, plan, policy, decision, agreement, investigation had to be clearly written up. So these specialized institutions like archives and museums were established to preserve important documents. They felt all important documents and letters need to be carefully preserved. So they set up record rooms attached to all administrative institutions. So these points you must have to mention this question. Next one, how did James Mill view India? James Mill view India as a Hindu period, Muslim period and British period. So Mill thought all in ancient society were at a lower level of civilization than Europe. So that he was also telling of history before British came to India. Hindu and Muslim despots ruled the country. Religious intolerance, caste taboos, and superstitious practice dominated social life. He said that after British only India could civilize. So these points you have to mention. For this you refer book page number 3 to 4. For question number 7 you refer page number 5. Ninth question, how did British conquer India and establish their India? So as a trading company, British entered India and they were also attacking many trading companies, and at first they started mill in Bengal, and they got power from Bengal Empire and started conquer each and every territory. So likewise they have entered into India. So they want to dominate all the territories after Bengal. So they consider each and every kings as a Nawabs. So they destroying the power of king and act a king as a Nawab. Likewise, they conquer and establish their rule. These points you must have to list. And answer in detail, how 10th question. How do official records of the British administration help historian to write about last 250 years of Indian history? British used to give importance to act of writing. So they preserve the documents in the record institution room like Tahsildar office, collectorate office, these things. So from that historians collect the records. Official records maintained by British administration helped the historians to write about the last 250 years of Indian history. This point you must have to mention. 11th question. Historians divide Indian history into ancient, medieval and modern. Mention the problem in this division. So in this division 2 has its problem because it is a periodization that is borrowed from West, where modern period was associated with the growth of all forces of modernity: science, reason, democracy, liberty and equality. Medieval was a term used to describe a society where these features of modern society did not exist. So, British rule did not have equality, freedom or liberty, nor was the period one of economic growth and progress. So this division 2 has its problem. These points you must have to mention. Thank you, children.